the summertime has come, and the trees are sweetly blooming on the white mountain tide. Grows around the blooming heather. We go, let's go, and we'll all go together to the white mountain tide. All around the blooming heather. We go, let's go. Let us celebrate another to the white mountain. All around the blooming heather. We go, let's go. And we'll all go together to the white.
Buddy, that's not enough. Go back and get some more. Oh, thank you very much. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, thank you, sweetheart. Yeah, throw that right in there. Oh, my goodness. Thank you. Oh, yeah, of course you need a picture. Yeah. Here, that's nice. Yeah, there you go. Nice. My pleasure. Thanks, guys. Cheers, man. Oh, yeah, I take everything. Thanks, guys. No penalty for late payment. Thank you. Oh, thank you very much, guys. Thanks, buddy. Thank you for the enthusiasm. Oh, thank you, ladies. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. It's very generous. The second row can come forward now. Thank you. Oh, thank you very much. No, I'm good, actually. Thank you. Oh, actually, a water would be amazing. Actually, yeah, thank you. Water would be great. Thank you so much. That's very sweet. Thank you, everyone. Those of you who gave me money, you're good people. Those of you who snuck off without paying, when you get home, your dog will be dead. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Yeah. It's tax season. If you voted Carney, pay double. Oh, there.
Guys, eto. Andito tayo ngayon guys sa sa Granville Island, no. So dito lang din to sa Vancouver. At nakita nyo naman guys kung gaano ka busy, no. Magmula pa lang dun sa may magmula pa lang dun sa may loob ng public market hanggang dito sa sa labas talagang talagang dagsa ang mga tao dito, di ba? Kaya lahat ng mga bakasyonista, lahat ng mga taga dito sa sa Vancouver talagang dinadayo ito, no? Kasi syempre family time ganon. Grabe. Sobrang busy rito. Sabi ko nga sa inyo guys, kapag gantong sasapit ang gantong spring o papasok ang summer, talagang itong busy, itong Vancouver talagang dinadayo, no? Hindi lang ng mga taga dito sa Canada, kundi sa mga rin guys, sa mga ibang parte rin ng US, kasi may nakikita ako mga nila, mga plate number nila from Washington, from US, no. Kaya iba yung mga dumadayo rito guys. Saka talagang sinusulit ang summer dito, no. Ito na yung simula ng kabisihan ng BC, no. Yan.